I actually want to find out if maybe there's a river over here has fish. I need to try fishing. Yeah? I need to try my fishing skills. I have to be very careful not to fall into water. Yeah. So friend, today we were heading actually somewhere, and then we came across this river. Yeah. Look at that. It's flowing from the other side. Yeah, on the far end there are animals, cows, grazing. Yeah. Yeah, look at how wind is blowing trees over here. Yeah, these are the little things that we are supposed to be enjoying. Yeah, nature. Yeah, looks like there is a very smart stone over here whereby you can come and do your thing. Look at that. Amazing. So it's very hot. Yeah, looks like people normally come here to take baths. Yeah. This behavior is actually normally common in men. You see here? Yeah, these are soap remains. See this? Yeah. And this is the river. There is a small bridge over there made of timber or wood. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Isn't it enjoyable? Yeah. So friendly, I'm trying to cross to the other side. I hope I won't fall. Yeah. And then from here I'll jump. Yeah. So yeah, so this is another small stream which comes into, like, attaches to the one that we've seen on the other side. Yeah, looks like someone actually tried to cover it up, like it had made a yeah, the water that is flowing on this other side actually is coming from the same position, but looks like the residents over here. I wish I could find someone to ask him or her why they did this. Like they had to barricade this area, like they do not want water to pass through here. I really have no idea why. I wish I found someone to at least explain to me the reason as to why. You know, this nature, they are actually trying to control nature. You see, water here is very calm, and whenever you see water very calm this way, it's an indication that this place is very deep down. Yeah? So you cannot even dare swim here. It's very calm. Look at that. Very steady. The same way on this other side. Very calm. Though when it gets to the other side, it's where there is a fall. Yeah? Very calm, moving at a very slow pace. I remember it's a rainy season, so the water mass is increasing. It's not similar to the time that we were here last, whereby water was really decreasing. Yeah, it's coming from the other way. Today we are not actually trying to find the source of this river over here. What made me curious is the reason as to why they are covering, like they are barricading this area. You see, it looks actually rocky. Yeah. I wish I found somebody to at least explain to me what is happening around here. Anyway, friend, we were actually on our way to a certain area known as Wonyunyu. I wanted to show you where we were last time, but I'm at a valley. Yeah, I'm at a place whereby I cannot really explain much. So this what I was talking about. This guy is over here. I tried to find a way to barricade this water from using this route, and then they directed it to the other side. Yeah. So I wish I found someone to at least explain to me why this. Yeah, they really placed a lot of rocks here, but what I'm really sure about is if that water mass, you see, if this water mass increases, then you see this barricade here, it will not work. It cannot work. I'm really sure it will be like it will sweep this away. Yeah, so this water is supposed to use this direction down. But even though they tried to barricade it, there is some still flowing. Yeah, it's really hard to control water, to control nature. But it looks like maybe with time, you see this area which looks like a highland, a small island. It looks like with time this water might sweep it away. If maybe they cannot plant trees, these people are actually very wise, because they've planted trees over there, so to at least protect that area. And also it looks like it's rocky, you can see from the sides. Yeah, so we were on our way to a certain area known as Wonyunyu, and then we came across this place which from a distance it looked really amazing. So maybe you might be wondering, like, yeah, also welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ino_Mark29. You can also call me Ino. So you might be wondering, like, why are you in this wood every day? You see this wood over here? This wood, there's a place I'm trying to cross here. This wood gave us 8,000 views. Yes, 8,000. You heard me correct. On YouTube. Yeah, there is a short we made which went really viral on YouTube. Yeah, if maybe you never watch my shorts, then you're supposed to see how I normally get surprised. Yeah, So this is the area that we wanted to see, and now we will be going back to where we intended to go to. Yeah, life in the village, connecting with nature. Marita, yeah, I'm with my bro right here. So he's very familiar with this ways over here. Hold on. There is water. The water mass here. You see here. And then there is another one over here ahead. So I'm trying to understand, is this stream here taking a turn over here, or what is happening? You see, there is another one over there. So I want to really find out if it's taking a turn from here. So there is another one on the other side. That is what I want to actually find out. So there is a bridge. Yeah, a wooden bridge. Yeah, maybe we use it. Yeah, it's really risky. You have to really be careful. Oh my. It's very shaky, you see? Very shaky. So we are crossing. Yeah. Yeah, it's really shaky. You have to be very, very careful. It's very old as well. You see this? It's shaky. So here we are. We've at least used the bridge. So what we want to find out is this water mass taking a turn, or where is it heading to? Yeah, definitely I'll have to go into somebody's land and try to find out. Yeah, it's a very thick area. Yeah. So this is us. Here we are, out of curiosity, you know. I'm sure even you want to find out, maybe is this same water that is passing over here the same that looks like it took a turn on the other side, or what is happening? Yeah. Yeah, let's find out. Yeah. Yeah, this area looks really not like a normal area. Yeah. But we are here to find out. Oh, there is a dead end over here. So there is no way we can really find out. Yeah. Yeah, you see this path over here? Yeah, it actually leads up that hill. Something has fallen. It leads up the hill, and then maybe goes that way. What we'll do is we go back, and then we try to use the other side. Yeah, I believe maybe we can find out. Yeah, the water is very calm. Look at that. You'll even think it's not flowing. Yeah. So we love to go back. Yeah, so we've taken a turn. We want to find out if it's the same river that has taken a turn and went to the other side. Yeah, that's the other side over there. We are following it. Yeah, out of curiosity. They normally say curiosity killed the cat. I hope we won't die trying to find out. This life in the village, there is a man over here. I don't want to find out from him because it's true. What really happened on the other side? Why they had to like block water from flowing and then use the other direction. Hi bro. Te vango. Naole. Mbiasole. Ngabo video toka nyakubwata kidogo kidogo ndo chene kasio. Toko burugera. Asana ada tu taruh berali. Side tu hanya apa ama coba tangkit tapi tidak side lah waktu bete yani waktu itu pakai kama ama jenis side gitu. Ini क्या है? I told you होगा. So I tried to pose the question to him, like why they covered, they blocked water from using the area that I showed you, and then he told me it's not really aware, it's not from here. So we have no answer from that, but I'm not really sure if this is the same stream, but let's find out. Why not? Yeah, so here we are out of curiosity. Yeah, it's the same. I mean, this is the stream we've been following, or the river. Yeah, it's actually true. It has taken a turn over here. So our guess was correct. Yeah, it has taken a turn over here ahead. I'm showing you. So here it is. It took a turn. Yeah, it came from this direction down there, and then it took a turn this way. Yeah, it looks like cows normally come to graze here. Yeah. So this is the turn that it took. All the way. So I was really wondering, like, how come there is water on this other side and also water on the other side. So here we are. It took a turn, and now I think we've answered our question on how it happened. Like there was water on both sides of this area. Yeah, so our question has been answered, and now we go back to where we came from and continue with our mission. Yeah, though it looks like someone might cross over here, I'm wondering if we can try. Yeah, we try crossing to the other side using this place. Is this water really deep? Or we can cross? Shall we try? I'm thinking about it. And the answer was no. It's not worth trying. Yeah? So we go on with our mission. We continue with our mission. Yeah, friend, I hope you're enjoying the video. Yesterday's video is actually up on YouTube. Yeah, The name is Ino_Mark29. You can call me Ino, you can call me Mark29. I'll accept both. They're both my name. Yeah, on our live stream we said a person only has a name, not names. So if you're standing to introduce yourself, never say my names are. No, your name is. Yeah, that is what we said. So now I'm walking actually by the river. So this reminds me of a certain reggae song. By the river, sung by Culture. Eh? Eh? Rorare. Eh. Eh. So I want to show you really exactly what I meant. Like there is a stream here and another stream here. Remember, we've come from it where it has taken a turn. Yeah? So look at that, friend. You see that? Yeah, that is what I was talking about. Like there is a stream over there passing by. Then it goes down. And then, is it there? Yeah, there it is. So it's the same that is here on this other side. Yeah? So it's here. And then here. So the question that I was asking, is it the same? So we've found out, like it goes down, then takes a turn, and then it comes to meet here. I mean, it takes a turn and then comes to here, this place over here. Yeah, that is what I was really curious to know. Narude kurwali. Aja macha go flow kurwa. Agoso kurukurali. Ade roro choromo. Ora una rogoja amacha ndagaka agaeta iga. Yani oroga divide. Agaitira gari iga. Kiraitira ali agimona acha umira naga. Ona abantu bamete iga. Noche rokurukura. Aje terukura ali asere rogo bagana. Bagatija. Oreta magana bakabeke ubi binte vingoro bagatija. Kono rogo chegariyo katimeti reason bagata bagatija rogora ali. Nagina ngobole boys yanagi giwango teacher ali. Amaje taitera aitera oka. Ndena yatama. Mañana agarra, amatengo jago korari agatuba. So what we were debating about is how come this stream over here came all the way from up and then it turned, took a turn over here, went down this way, then that way, and then it comes to that other side. So the reason is there are very big rocks over here. This water, there is no way this water could have passed through the rocks and then to that side over there. There is no way it could have crossed it. So because of these rocks over here, and I was also explaining to him there is a certain place over there where they've barricaded the water, the place that I showed you earlier. And we came to an agreement that it's maybe there are trees planted over there, the small island that I told you about. Maybe the owner saw like with time this water will sweep away that place where he has planted trees. So he decided like he'll barricade that area and then give these trees life, like allow them to grow. Yeah. So from here, friend, we go on with our trip. Yeah, we were actually planning to go to a place known as Gonyunyu. I've never been there, so I want to go and find out, like, how is Gonyunyu? How does it look like? Yeah. So that was our plan, until we came across this stream over here, and we were interested to just find out, like, how. I told you, I'm really beginning to connect more and more with nature. Yeah? So away from the stream, away from the river. Yeah. There is a small hill over here, and also there is a lot of smoke. Yeah, you cannot really see it on camera, but there is somewhere there is smoke. Yeah, this is life in the village. Yeah, we go on. Yeah, I can see there is a young boy over here. I was curious to see what I'm holding on my hand. Yeah, I believe the curiosity I had when I wanted to find out whether that was the same stream is the same curiosity he has. And he really wants to see or to know what I'm carrying. Akia, Dior, Paji school, Baruro, Angakuruk, Newton, Nanjanguruk Inomak. I'm going to see video. Oh, yeah. I told him my name. He asked him his name. He told me. I told him my name, and I told him, now you'll appear on video. Yeah. So the good thing with our place here is, or this place here is, when you see people tying their sheep by the road, you see that? When you see that, it tells you there are no thieves over here. Like, the place is safe. You see? Yeah. And also there is a tea bank center over here. Is it really functional? I think yes. Yeah? Oh. So friend, I want to show you actually the place where we were last time. It is, so friend, it's almost actually 3 p.m. It's 2:34 p.m. here. Remember, this is Kenya. This is Gusii land. Yeah, the blessed land, the evergreen land. Yeah, actually Gusii land also has very beautiful women. Yeah, very humble, hardworking, and obedient. Yeah, that is Gusii for you. So if you want a wife, this is the perfect place to find her. I'm not kidding, I'm for real. No doubt. Yeah, also, even though this area looks like it's very remote, we do have electricity. Yeah, they do. They do have electricity. Yeah, and their road is actually good. Looks like there is usually no mud here. Like after it rains. Yeah, you see this? There is electricity over here. Yeah. So people here have power, right? And the roads are good, as you can see. Yeah. There are cows grazing by the road. Yeah. Yeah, a very peaceful place at the same time. Yeah, people live here in peace. Yeah. Like there is nobody trying to fight anybody. Yeah, there's a house here that looks like it's been abandoned over there. Yeah, though also it looks like somebody came the other day and cleared the bushes over here. Oh, this place is amazing. I like it, for real, for real. So this is on our way to Wanyunya. I like this place. Very quiet. Just listen. I'll keep quiet for maybe a few seconds. You listen. It's the motorbike that has disturbed our silence. Yeah? It was very quiet. Very, very quiet before the motorbike appeared. Yeah? So who wouldn't want to stay in such an area? So friend, the motorbike guy was about to play music, which is not really good for us. I had to pause and move and then continue recording. Yeah? Yeah, where is my banana? Here it is. Where is my banana? Another one over there. Yeah? Yeah, somebody over here is constructing a wall. Yeah? Is it a wall or a house? I have no. I think it's a wall. Huh? Bricks. You remember I explained to you how they are normally turned into brown. Yeah, they are cooked. Yeah, they are normally cooked. So it's a very quiet place. Very, very quiet. I'm not really even sure. I'm not sure if we've maybe got to Wanyonyo. Yeah? Or we are close by. But we are still enjoying the walk, the nature walk. But today wasn't about really hiking. Today was about freestyling and seeing what Mother Nature has blessed this area with. Yeah? Look at that. This is an indication that it's a rainy season. If you see stagnant water on the road, you know our soil normally our soil normally drains water very fast. So if you see water stagnant by the road or on the road, then you'll definitely know it's a rainy season. It's raining heavily. Yeah. So there's a hill over here on the other side. But today we said we are not doing hiking. Today is good vibes, relaxing, walking, and enjoying the nature of this area. Yeah, they are very. I think we've met like a few motorbikes. Yeah, which is an indication that, or a sign that people here normally move. Yeah, that is their major means of transportation. Yeah, we've come across a few. Yeah, there is a like it looks like a church from a distance, so we are almost getting there. And what I'm really want to really know is, where is this Vonyunyu? Are we in Vonyunyu or where are we? Yeah. So friend, this is Vonyunyu for you. This other area does not look as good as where we've come from behind here. Yeah? And also the good thing is there is electricity here in Vonyunyu. You know, many people normally before they buy land or before they invest somewhere, they usually consider, is there electricity? If not, maybe they give it a second thought. So unfortunately they are okay, I do not want to show them on camera, but maybe there is somebody who's taking a short call or a long call. You see this school over here? And the unfortunate thing is, I said the name, the loose. When I speak of loose, I'm speaking of latrines, the pit latrines. Yeah, they've been built, but they do not have what we call doors. Yeah, they're just open. Like when students come for call of nature, there are no doors. You don't lock, so there's no privacy. Wow, they really need to address that. This is not the year 1900 where there are maybe no doors on latrines or washrooms. They really need to address that. And also this area is covered with a lot of trees. Yeah, it's very thick. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll ask my bro here to just take. Okay, maybe they go ahead a little. Maybe there is a place we can film, a good place ahead. So we'll continue for some time. Remember, this is life in the village. My name is Ino_Mark29. You can call me Ino, or you can call me Mark29. I'll accept both, or any, the one that you'll choose to call me. Yeah? So there is a corner ahead. I want us to get there. Maybe if there is nothing good ahead, we'll take a turn, a U-turn, daddy. So this place is known as Vonyunyu Kingdom Glory Pentecostal Church. So this is a church. Yeah? And this place is actually in Nyamira County. I wonder why there are PO boxes written in PO box this -- PC. I do not really understand why, but maybe, oh, I believe I know the answer. The answer is Nyamira is a bit remote. It's a bit interior. So when the box officers came to Kisii, they had not yet been brought to Nyamira. That is actually a guess. I'm not really sure about that. Yeah, I can hear a lot of kids singing from a distance. Maybe there is another school over here. Oh, okay. Yesterday we were actually late to do our live stream. Yeah, there is somebody who asked me, did you live stream today? Yes, I actually live streamed yesterday, which was on Thursday. So today is on Friday. This video will be up on YouTube come tomorrow on Saturday. Yeah, there is a school over here, which looks like it's a very big school. Yeah. Then so Looks like it's in a church. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah. I can say there is security light somewhere here. This is normally provided by I believe the area MP. So this is good work. There is a school over here. It looks really beautiful. Very smart. You see kids playing, teachers relaxing outside. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen some small kids there. I never wanted to actually put them on camera. So there is a turn over here. Then there is water flowing. This is what I normally talk about, like, and such an area in my compound. You see the way that school is beautiful with the water crossing in it? Yeah, that one. Yeah, so friend, we've actually taken a U-turn. Now we are heading back home. We've been walking for the past, remember we came from home at around 1 p.m. and now checking the time, it's 3:14. So that is 2 hours plus since we began filming. So I want to, yeah, this is this is the place that I told you to come to. So I want to thank you very much for watching this video to this far. Yeah, remember we said that we were to increase our shooting time. Like we used to do 40 of at most 56 minutes. So now we decided like we will be doing an hour plus, so that to at least increase our watch hours. Yeah, and so this is where I say goodbye for now. We will meet on our next video. I hope you'll enjoy. I hope you'll watch. Yeah, we also want you to watch. Kindly do not really subscribe and go missing. Yeah, kindly take your time to at least watch for even a few seconds. We'll be grateful. So my name is Eno_Mark29 and this is our channel. Remember okay, actually today morning we were at around 317 subscribers. So yeah, we are still going up, which is a very good thing, and I appreciate the support each and every day. Yeah, so it's a bye for now. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, stay safe. Remember to keep peace, one love, right? Bye bye.